Today, I am gonna tell you the 5 points from Indian philosophy which are very crucial to know in every situation of life. This will help you to come out from adverse situation as well as help you to be kind in favorable condition. The first point is knowledge is power. Knowledge empower us to understand the world, solve problems and make informed decisions. It is our most significant strength acquired through education and experience. With knowledge, we can achieve success, navigate life's challenges, and contribute meaningfully to society. It enables us to question, analyze, and innovate, fostering personal and professional growth. A well informed mind is better equipped to adapt to changes, anticipate consequences, and lead a fulfilling life. Thus, continuous learning and intellectual curiosity are essential for personal development and societal progress, making knowledge a vital asset. The second point is know thyself. This ancient maxim by Socrates emphasized the importance of self awareness and introspection. Understanding our abilities, weaknesses, and true desires allow us to make better life choices and set meaningful goals. Self knowledge fosters personal growth, emotional intelligence, and resilience. It helps us navigate life's complexities with confidence and authenticity. By knowing ourselves, we can align our actions with our values, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. It also enhances our relationships and we become more empathetic and understanding towards others. Self awareness is the foundation of personal development and self improvement. The third point is love and compassion. Love and compassion are fundamental to the moral and fulfilling life. They foster empathy, kindness, and sense of community. By embracing these values, we create a supportive and understanding environment, enhancing our relationships and society harmony. Compassion allows us to connect with others' experience, offering help and comfort. Love promotes selflessness and generosity, enriching our lives and those around us. These qualities reduce conflict and foster peace, making the world a better place. Cultivating love and compassion leads to personal happiness and collective well being, reflecting the best of human nature. The fourth point is this too shall pass. This phrase reflects the transient nature of life, reminding us that both good and bad times are temporary. It encourages resilience and patience during difficult times, knowing that they will eventually pass. Similarly, it teaches humility and gratitude during good times, as they too are fleeting. Embracing this perspective helps us maintain emotional balance and a positive outlook. It fosters a sense of hope and acceptance, reducing anxiety and stress. By understanding the impermanence of life events, we can navigate challenges with grace and appreciate the present moment fully. And the last part is law of karma. The law of karma, a core principle of Indian philosophy, asserts that our actions have consequences. Good actions yield positive outcomes, while bad actions lead to negative consequences. This principle encourages ethical behavior and responsibility. By being mindful to our actions, we can create a better future for ourselves and others. Karma teaches us that we are the architect of our destiny, emphasizing the importance of intentional and moral conduct. It fosters accountability and self-discipline, guiding us towards a just and harmonious life. Understanding karma motivates us to live with integrity and compassion. Thanks for watching.